Well, here we are up on the roof. We've got a drain here in the middle, and we've got a bronze ball that I cast. The idea is to drop the ball down the hole so that it can pull the string down the hole, and then tie the end of the string at the bottom of the hole to a heating wire that I could pull up the hole and plug in up here to keep ice from blocking the drain in the winter, so that when the ice melts on top of the roof, it doesn't flood the pipe and start raining inside the attic. Don't let it go crazy fast, just slowly lower it down.
Three, two, one, go! Okay, so it kind of stopped. What do you do now? Oh, it's not rolling. Pull it back up. Want to go downstairs? That sounds so weird. Sounds. We're putting it down. Can you hear it? Is it loud? Is it a scary noise?
Attempt number 2. Now with more leaf blower. Well, it certainly went a lot farther. Alright, now let's see where we are. Well, made it this far. And now, I don't know, it's hard to see, but I have this funky bend here and it's getting held up. Right down in there. Where it has to turn in 2 or 3 directions all at once. I think I can pull some rope through. Yeah. Should be able to get it going. The only question is, now, can it fit through that little white part there between this pipe and the downspout underneath the eave? We'll see. The ball made it to right here. Slight miscalculation on my part. However, I cut that thing free. I've got a coupler. I just need to buy some more solvent. I can glue it back together easily. And now I have this ready to drop down the downspout, which I did verify will fit this ball through it.
You come through!
So close. Oh, so close. There's my big bronze ball. Unfortunately, when it got stuck, I tried to pull it to loosen it up and see if it could go again, and the string broke. So, I had to remove a section. I'll just have to put that back together and climb up and drop the ball down there. And hopefully, when it comes out here this time, it'll be easier to deal with. Alright, here's stage 3.
Hey, it came out. See, the ball came out.
Well, as you can see, got it plugged in here. Yeah, the wire's going down the drain there, all the way down, keeping it clear of ice buildup from the melting snow. So hopefully this year we won't get any surprise rainstorms in the attic. Alright, call it a day.